Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are brand new here, my name is Shalia and I'm super duper glad to have you guys. Today we're going to be doing a little tutorial. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve this look right here. But before I jump into this, I'm going to ask you guys to do me a tiny little favor. Just go ahead down, scroll down, find that big giant red button and click it so you guys can subscribe to my channel. And also at the end of this video, guys, if you like what you saw, give the video a thumbs up by clicking the button down below, and also click the bell so you guys get notified when I post something new. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Rolling with the homies, rolling with the homies. So I came to you guys today with my brows already done, not out here trying to waste anybody's time. And since, you know, that's a whole nother topic in itself, we skipped it. We're gonna jump right into the eyes because that is where I want the focus of this video to be today. And I'm gonna prime my eyelids using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my MAC 135 brush, okay? I like using this paint pot because it's like super light and it helps the bolder colors just stand out better because my skin is a bit darker. So if you guys have been watching for a while and not sure why I do this, now you know. If you guys are trying to use a shadow that is just not showing up the way that you want it to, try using a shadow base in a paler color. Try to like lighten up the skin as much as you can. Now I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to use my my Morphe 504 blending brush. Is this 504? Yeah, it's 504. And I'm going to start by going in with, where is it? This color here. This is going to be my transition shade today. I am going to bring these colors out a little bit further, so we're going to brush all the way out to about here. Now I'm going to go into my Natasha Denona palette and I'm going to use the burnt terracotta shade here in the center. I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to brush this color into the same spot, just keeping it a tiny bit lower so that that first shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette shows up right above it. I'm in love with this color. I'm actually just in love with this entire palette as a whole. Now we're going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and we're going to go into, this color here. And we're going to use our Morphe 505. We're going to apply this into the crease. So you can see the colors are super, super, super similar. This one just adds a tiny bit more warmth. Now we're going to take this color right down here and we're going to work on the outer corner. Now using a lip brush and my soft ochre paint pot, I'm just going to go ahead and carve out a lid. And I say a lid because I'm going to go drastically higher than my natural lid. If you can see, my natural lid is about here, which is a very small amount of space to work with. So we're going to go to about here, pretty much to even it out with where I brought the darker shade up to. And when you're doing this, you want to just really take your time, like do not rush it. Now I'm going to go back in with my Natasha Denona palette, and I'm going to use this beautiful, you see? Beautiful blue shade right here. This is Ice Blue. And I'm going to use my Morphe M167 for this. Now I'm going to use my Nars Now I'm going to use my Nars Pore and Shine Control Primer. I'm just going to pat this into my skin. I can mostly see my pores around this area usually, so I want to make sure it's heavy here. Alright, so now that that's done, we're going to move on to our foundation. You guys know, sorry, but I'm going to keep using this for a little while. This is my Nars Foundation in the color Macau. I'm loving this. I have others, but who cares? I'm going to put it on the back of my beauty blender and apply this to my face. Alright, you guys know what time it is. Time for that highlight and contour lifestyle. We're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. To do that, this is the color Tan Sand, for those of you guys who are the same color as me. And I'm going to buff this out with my beauty blender. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go in and contour. Oh my god. Okay. Rewind. Alright, here we go. Now that that's done, I'm gonna contour my face using my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. This is the color Truffle, I think. Yeah. And you guys know how this is done. Tiny bit on the nostrils. Now I'm going to buff this out using my Sephora Pro Contour Sweep brush, and I like to just dab and pat it into the skin. I like sweep. I basically like dab and sweep, very quick and short motions. For the little dots that I put on my nose, I'm going to use my Morphe M572, and I'm basically going to just very lightly pull the product up and down. I don't want a heavy nose contour today, but I did want to clean up the area where my highlighted areas where my highlight was pulled up a little too high. Now I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in medium to tan, and I'm going to just take the two darkest colors in the pan, which I've used to dust. You guys already know that. And still with my still on my nose, I'm going to just yeah, you know. Boom. Nose is sexy. Alright. Now I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder like I always do. I'm sure some of you guys are laughing at me right now. Why does this keep happening? But this is like, this is real talk. Like, I'm being quite serious right now. So, I'm going to dip my beauty blender in here. And I'm going to set my face. So what you want to do is you want to match your powder right up to where you put your nose contour, okay? Going a little bit heavier with the powder today because my face was super oily today. Don't know why. Let's take care of the stash. Because I get oily right around here, and right above my brows. Now, I'm also going to we're just going to leave this here while we add our powder contour to set the cream. I'm going to take my Morphe M530, looks like this, and I'm going to dip back into the 2 darkest shades of my contour kit, these 2 here. And my jawline. Now taking my Morphe M527, I'm going to brush all of this off. Alright, now I know I'm looking super powdery, but work with your girl here. I promise you I will not lead you astray. I'm not going to stay like this. But we are going to move our way back to our eyes really quick. Whoa, knuckles. Hurt. Boom. Okay. What was I doing? Back to my eyes. Alright. I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M433 and in my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to start with, where was it? This shade right here. And we're going to just start on the under the lash line. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E36 and I'm going to go into the darker color that we used earlier, which was this one here. And this time we're going to go a lot closer to our lash line. Because we don't want the darker color to be all the way down here. You end up like looking like raccoon eyes real quick, and that's not what we want. So this one we want to keep closer to our lash line. Now I'm going to pop some lashes on off camera and I will be right back with you guys. And so, you know, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back and my lashes and mascara are already on. I also did add a little bit of my eye kohl from MAC in Feline to my waterline. So we're going to move back down to the face as per usual. And I'm going to go in with my Desi X Katie highlight in Mírame. You guys know this is one of my favorites right now. And I'm going to use my Morphe R36. And I'm just going to lightly pop some of this to the high point of my cheek. Now, here's the important step. Because today, I want to glow. I'm going to be using my Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the color Transcendence. So I'm going to use the same brush. And then I'm going to pop this on top of Mírame for a slightly different color. Oh my god, I love this. I'm going to do a nice little backwards C shape here. I am also going to take a little bit of this and pop this into my inner corner. Oh. And a little bit, tiny to my brow bone. For blush, I'm going to add a little bit of my Super Shock blush from ColourPop. This is the color Bardot. And I'm going to just take a small Sephora brush and pop this onto my cheeks. Now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipsticks in the color Cool Brown. I'm going to pop this onto my lips without any liner. Now using my Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the color Trendsetter, because I'm a trendsetter, I just be making shit up off the top of my head. I'm gonna pop this on top of Cool Brown. It smells like cupcakes and lotion. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Now I'm gonna finish this off with my Mario Badescu setting spray. Alright guys, that concludes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself as much as I did. I hope I made you laugh or I at least taught you something a little bit new today. But before you guys leave, I need you to do me a favor. Pretty please, go down, scroll down, subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss a single thing. Click the button. Click the bell so you guys get notified as soon as I post something brand spanking new. And give this video a thumbs up and a comment if you want to see something else on my channel, anything specific. I love taking a little bit of recommendations. I want to know what you guys want to see. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Disrespectful ass shirt. You know what, Natasha? Oh my gosh. You guys. Like, I don't even understand how this just happened. My freaking the entire shadow just fell out of this pan. Like, the entire shadow. The entire square. Natasha, if we're going to be charging this much money for shadows, these shadows need to be glued to the pans. That was literally $10 that just hit the floor. Hello, you, and you over there too. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to be coming into you. No, not particularly. Unless you want me to, then maybe. You know. It's also 6:30 in the morning. I'm about to hit the gym now that I'm done filming this intro for you guys. It's been real. Over and out. Over and out. Over and out. Over and out. Madness.